Best foods for skin repair. The stronger and healthier your skin, the less susceptible it can be to the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and sunspots. Nutrition is important for health. An unhealthy diet can damage your metabolism, cause weight gain, and even damage organs, such as your heart and liver. But what you eat also affects another organ, your skin. As scientists learn more about diet and the body, it's increasingly clear that what you eat can significantly affect the health and aging of your skin. We've compiled our top 10 foods for skin health below. Aim to eat these foods regularly as part of a healthy diet to keep your skin more resilient and radiant. 1. Green tea. Green tea, also known as matcha, is something of a superstar when it comes to skin, thanks to its wonderful healing properties. Green tea is not only high in antioxidants, which can reduce the amount of free radicals in your body, it's also a great detoxifier for the skin. Green tea contains vitamin B2, riboflavin, which has the ability to aid cell turnover, maintain collagen levels, and speed wound healing. It also boasts soothing, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties, helping to reduce irritation, redness, and swelling, as well as unclogging pores and treating acne. What's more, a 2003 study showed that the antioxidant EGCG, which is abundant in green tea, has the ability to repair dying skin cells, helping to combat the signs of aging and make dull skin look healthy. Green tea is a great lower caffeine alternative to coffee, so drink a cup or even better, several cups every day if you can. Your smoother, more radiant skin will reap the benefits. 2. Avocados. Yes, avocados are high in fat, but it's a good fat. A Japanese study found that a high intake of total fat, specifically the types of healthy fats found in avocados, was associated with improved skin elasticity. Packed with 19 vitamins, nutrients, and phytonutrients, avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit that play a major role in healthy diets, including vitamins E and C. Vitamin C helps to create collagen to keep skin healthy and strong, while vitamin E can help protect your skin from oxidative damage. All good reasons to eat plenty of these gorgeous green fruit. Aim to eat around half an avocado a day to help keep your skin flexible, moisturized, and glowy. 3. Blueberries. The not-so-humble blueberry has one of the highest antioxidant contents of all foods, including anthocyanin, which gives blueberries their color, as well as vitamin C, E, A, and B complex, zinc, iron, selenium, and copper. Along with boosting your immune system, antioxidants can help to neutralize the effect of free radicals in the body, helping cells to properly detoxify and repair damage, which in turn helps reduce the signs of aging. The nutrients in blueberries can also help to combat acne, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the capillaries just beneath the skin to protect against spider veins. Try adding 1 or 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries to your diet each day, with cereal or porridge, in smoothies or desserts, or simply as a snack with yogurt. Also aim to include strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and goji berries. 4. Nuts. Nuts definitely rank among the best foods for skin health, as they contain zinc, magnesium, and selenium, all of which are helpful for wound healing. Almonds contain a potent dose of B vitamins, riboflavin and niacin, as well as zinc, protein, and healthy dietary fat. They're also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that's known to help neutralize damaging free radicals in the body and is often used in skin health products. Walnuts are also little bites of goodness when it comes to skin. They're a rich source of essential fatty acids, EFAs, a good fat that's often lacking in Western diets and can promote reduced inflammation in your body, including your skin. Walnuts are also rich in zinc, which is essential for your skin to function properly as a barrier, heal wounds, and combat bacteria and inflammation. So unless you have an allergy or intolerance, it's okay to go nuts on nuts. 5. Seeds. Seeds are a great way of getting more nutrients and essential trace minerals, especially pumpkin, sunflower, and linseeds, flax seeds. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc, which plays an important part in keeping your skin radiant and healthy, helping to build new and healthy skin cells and repairing damaged skin. Sunflower seeds also chock full of nutrients. including protective fatty oils and substantial amounts of zinc and vitamin E, which may help to protect skin cells and promote healthier skin. Flax seeds are another great seed to include in your diet as they're rich in an omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. A 2011 study found that female participants with sensitive skin who took a flaxseed oil supplement for 12 weeks experienced reduced skin sensitivity and roughness, increased hydration, and smoother skin. Try adding baked or raw seeds into salads. Enjoy them as an energy-boosting snack or sprinkle an LSA blend, ground linseeds, sunflower seeds, and almonds, onto yogurt, porridge or cereal, or into smoothies. 6. Leafy green vegetables. There's a good reason your mom told you to eat your greens. Dark leafy greens like kale and Swiss chard are high in fiber and are also one of the top sources of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that can help to repair and renew the skin, giving it a more radiant glow. Spinach is also chock full of beta-carotene, as well lutein, potassium, fiber, and folate, an essential B vitamin that helps maintain and repair DNA. Try adding dark, leafy greens to smoothies, salads, sandwiches, wraps, omelets, you name it, to give your skin a boost from the inside out. 7. Lemons. There are lots of reasons to love lemons. They're packed with nutrients including vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and fiber. Their high levels of vitamin C is great for boosting your immune system and essential for the formation of collagen, which helps to keep skin firmer, healthier, and younger looking. A squeeze of lemon juice in a large glass of cold or hot water can be a great way to kickstart your system in the morning. Lemon and water advocates swear by this ritual and that it can help to aid digestion, detoxify your system, and decrease blemishes and wrinkles. Try adding lemon juice or grated rind to salads, stir-fries, or desserts, and of course, it pairs perfectly with green tea, see above. 8. Beta-carotene. All veggies are packed with goodness, but many are also brimming with beta-carotene, a plant pigment that gives red, orange, and yellow fruit and vegetables their vibrant color. Rich sources of these protective antioxidants include carrots, mangoes, papayas, yams, kamara/sweet potatoes, and bell peppers. 9. Water. Technically not a food, but plenty of H20 is so important to skin health. Even mild dehydration will cause your skin to look dry, tired, and slightly gray. Try to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, or herbal, caffeine-free teas. All fluids count towards your daily allowance, but water is the best. Some fruit and vegetables, such as watermelon, rock melon, courgette, and cucumber, also contribute fluids as well as minerals to speed up the hydration of your body and skin. 10. Dark chocolate. We've saved the best news for last. Good quality dark chocolate dark chocolate with a high cacao may also be beneficial in protecting the skin. A preliminary study in 2014 noted that antioxidants found in cocoa may help to protect the skin from the inside by neutralizing oxidative stress, a major factor of dermal structure deterioration and premature skin aging.